My name is ANNISA Marcella NOVELIA NPM 24412006 Definition of organization. An organization is a systematic arrangement of people who work together in a structured environment to achieve specific goals and objectives. It is a social entity that combines human, financial, physical, and informational resources to pursue a common purpose or mission. Organizations are designed to meet the demands of a complex world, allowing individuals to collaborate, pool their expertise, and harness their collective efforts to accomplish tasks that would otherwise be difficult or impossible for them to achieve on their own. These goals are typically defined and aligned with the mission, vision, and values of the organization, which guide its activities, behavior, and decision-making processes. The concept of an organization is central to both the business and social spheres. From corporations and non-profit groups to government agencies, educational institutions, and social movements, organizations serve as the primary framework for collective action in almost every aspect of modern life. By bringing together individuals with complementary skills and resources, organizations enable people to specialize in different tasks, increase productivity, and create outcomes that generate value for their stakeholders. ### Key characteristics of an organization. 1. Structure ***. Every organization operates within a defined structure that outlines roles, responsibilities, relationships, and authority. This structure is designed to ensure that tasks are clearly distributed, and resources are allocated efficiently to achieve organizational goals. Organizational structures can vary widely, depending on the size, complexity, and objectives of the entity. Common types of organizational structures include hierarchical structure where authority is distributed in a clear chain of command. Flat structure where there are few management layers, promoting a more collaborative and agile approach. Matrix structure where employees work across functions and teams, reporting to multiple leaders. Network structure which involves decentralized decision-making and a more flexible, adaptive approach to organizing. The structure not only determines how authority and communication flow but also influences the speed of decision-making, the level of collaboration, and the overall efficiency of the organization. A well-designed structure supports clarity, minimizes confusion, and ensures that the organization can meet its goals effectively. 2. People People are at the heart of every organization. An organization is a collective of individuals, each with unique skills, knowledge, and experiences. People in an organization are divided into roles or positions based on their areas of expertise, and they work together to fulfill organizational goals. Employees, managers, executives, and other stakeholders contribute to the organization's activities, forming an intricate network of relationships and collaborations. The way people are managed and motivated plays a crucial role in organizational success. Effective leadership, clear communication, and recognition of employee contributions are all vital factors that influence engagement and productivity. Employees' well-being, satisfaction, and development are also essential aspects of an organization, as they directly impact performance, innovation, and retention. 3. Resources ***. Organizations require a variety of resources to operate successfully, including human resources, employees, financial capital, funding, technological resources, software, tools, physical assets, buildings, equipment, and intellectual property, knowledge, patents, expertise. The efficient management of these resources is critical for achieving organizational objectives. Resources are often scarce, and organizations must make strategic decisions about how to allocate them effectively to ensure long-term sustainability. Financial resources, for example, determine the ability of an organization to invest in growth, new technologies, or employee development. Physical resources such as infrastructure and equipment enable the organization to carry out its operations efficiently. Meanwhile, intellectual resources, such as knowledge, research, and creativity, are vital for driving innovation and staying competitive in the marketplace. 4. Coordination and communication ***. For an organization to function effectively, coordination and communication are essential. Employees at all levels need to work in concert, ensuring that their individual efforts contribute toward a shared objective. Coordination involves aligning tasks, timelines, and resources across various functions or departments. Effective communication channels are necessary to disseminate information, facilitate decision-making, and resolve conflicts. In modern organizations, digital tools and platforms, such as email, project management software, and intranet systems, help streamline communication, ensuring that information flows seamlessly across teams. Additionally, regular meetings, updates, and feedback loops ensure that all members are aligned with organizational goals, objectives, and priorities. 5. Objectives and goals asterisk. The ultimate purpose of any organization is to achieve its goals. These goals are usually derived from the organization's mission and vision, which define its purpose and the value it seeks to create for stakeholders. Organizational goals may be short-term or long-term, and they are typically broken down into specific, measurable objectives. In a business context, goals could include increasing revenue, expanding market share, improving customer satisfaction, or launching new products. In nonprofits, goals might focus on improving social welfare, advancing educational opportunities, or promoting environmental sustainability. The achievement of these goals often requires careful planning, resource allocation, and a clear strategy for implementation. 6. Culture and values asterisk. The culture of an organization refers to the shared beliefs, values, practices, and behaviors that define how the organization operates. Organizational culture influences everything from decision-making and communication to leadership styles and employee interactions. A positive and cohesive culture fosters trust, collaboration, and innovation, while a toxic culture can hinder performance and create internal conflict. An organization's values are its guiding principles. These values dictate the ethical standards, social responsibilities, and priorities that the organization adheres to in its operations. Common organizational values include integrity, respect, teamwork, accountability, and a commitment to excellence. A strong alignment between the organization's stated values and its actual practices helps build credibility and trust with both employees and external stakeholders. Types of organizations. Organizations can be classified into several categories based on their objectives, structure, and operations. Some of the main types of organizations include 1. Business organizations asterisk. These are organizations that operate in the private sector with the primary goal of generating profit. They can range from small businesses and startups to multinational corporations. Business organizations provide goods or services to meet customer needs while creating value for owners, shareholders, and employees. Common examples include manufacturing companies, retail businesses, technology firms, and financial institutions. 2. Non-profit organizations, NPOs, ***. Non-profit organizations are entities that operate for social, educational, religious, or charitable purposes rather than for profit. They focus on advancing causes such as poverty alleviation, healthcare, education, environmental conservation, and human rights. NPOs rely on donations, grants, and volunteers to fund their activities. Examples include charities, NGOs, non-governmental organizations, and advocacy groups. 3. Government organizations ***. Government organizations are public sector entities created by a governmental body to provide services and enforce regulations for the benefit of society. These organizations typically include federal, state, and local government agencies, as well as public institutions such as schools, hospitals, and law enforcement agencies. The goals of government organizations focus on public welfare, law enforcement, infrastructure development, and the provision of essential services. 4. Educational institutions ***. These organizations are focused on the delivery of education, knowledge, and skills. They can range from primary and secondary schools to universities and vocational training centers. Educational organizations may be private or publicly funded, and their mission is to foster learning, intellectual growth, and development. They are often structured with clear hierarchies, including faculty, administration, and student bodies. 5. Social and cultural organizations ***. These are organizations created to promote social, cultural, recreational, or community activities. They may include clubs, community centers, religious groups, cultural organizations, and professional associations. Social organizations often focus on building connections between individuals, fostering social capital, and contributing to societal well-being. 6. Hybrid organizations ***. Hybrid organizations blend elements of both business and nonprofit sectors. They often operate with a dual purpose of generating profits while addressing social or environmental issues. Social enterprises, for instance, operate with the goal of addressing societal problems through market-driven solutions. These organizations aim to balance financial sustainability with social impact, and their models often incorporate both commercial and charitable activities. Importance of organizations. Organizations are essential for the functioning of modern society, as they provide the infrastructure and systems necessary for achieving collective goals. Whether it is driving economic growth, providing social services, or advancing scientific knowledge, organizations are the engines of productivity, innovation, and progress. 1. Economic development *. Organizations contribute to the economic well-being of nations by creating jobs, generating income, producing goods and services, and facilitating trade. Businesses drive economic activity through innovation, production, and the creation of wealth, while government organizations ensure that resources are allocated efficiently and fairly to promote public welfare. 2. Social impact *. Many organizations, particularly non-profits, play a vital role in addressing societal challenges and improving the quality of life for vulnerable populations. They work to alleviate poverty, advance education, promote human rights, and protect the environment. Social organizations also foster community engagement, social justice, and cultural exchange. 3. Innovation *. Organizations serve as hubs of innovation, where individuals with diverse skills and backgrounds come together to create new ideas, products, services, and solutions. The research and development (R&D) activities within organizations lead to technological advancements, medical breakthroughs, and improvements in everyday life. Conclusion. In conclusion, an organization is a collective system of people, processes, and resources structured to achieve specific objectives. Organizations are essential to economic and social development, as they provide the framework for collaboration, innovation, and problem-solving. Whether in business, education, government, or non-profit sectors, organizations play a fundamental role in shaping the modern world. By aligning structure, culture, leadership, and resources toward common goals, organizations have the potential to drive lasting change and contribute to the betterment of society.